We're going to take this Fuji 400 out of this box. We're going to load it into a couple of cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film so you know what to expect from this film stock. First thing we're going to do to open up the box is we'll go to this side, and we'll open up the box tab. Wow, that's really on there. And we're going to tear this tab off, take out the plastic tub, and we tear this tab off so that if your camera has a film memo holder like this, you can simply slide it into the memo holder and you'll know what type of film you're using while you take photos. We take the film out of the tub, and this is our 35mm roll of Fuji 400. To load a camera with an automatic film advance, open the back, put the cassette into the cassette chamber here, and pull out a leader and line the end of it up with the orange index over on that side. Now close the back of the camera, and the film will either automatically advance or will advance when you push the shutter the first time. Some cameras with automatic film advances have a series of silver pins here that read the DX code on your 35mm film cassette. That DX code tells the camera how fast the film is. If, like this camera, yours does not have those DX code pins, you will need to manually set the film speed. This is a 400 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same number. If you have a camera that has a manual film advance like this one does, we're going to open up the back of the camera, load the film into the film cassette chamber, push the forks back into place like that, pull out the leader and stick the end of the leader into the take-up spool like this, put our finger over the sprockets, advance the film. Now we close the back, advance to frame 1, and set your film speed, your ASA or ISO, to 400. Now here are some sample photos taken with Fuji 400 so you know what to expect from this film.